Wow, potatoes! I will tell you how to grow potatoes. You can see potato flowers here. I will tell you everything later. But first thing is you have to prep the land. You can use tractor, or maybe you can use rototiller, or maybe you can just use your shovel. Also, you can grow potatoes in a big pot. But make sure sunny location, you have to choose sunny location. Now we can prep land. Way to plant, make rows, and drop the bulb and cover. Water, done. Dig, drop, done. Dig, drop, water, done. For growing potato, put the potato seeds with an eye, like potato, the sprouted potato you can say. Eyes on the top. And make a hill. And then you can just dig a hole like this, like 4 inches deep, and then put some potting mix and place potatoes eye up and at least 6 to 8 inches apart, and then cover with the soil. I will show you. Once you see eyes on your potatoes, so this should be up. Either you can cut into half, but just check that every potato should have one eye, or you can plant this way, or just cut half and you can plant this way. So either way. And best time to plant potatoes is the springtime. So you plant potatoes in the springtime and then you will harvest in summer. So like it will take from planting till harvesting, it will take around 90 to 100 days, like 3 months. So sunny location is important for growing potatoes. You need to water them frequently, but not the soggy feet. You can prep your land with some garden soil and potting mix, and then your potato is already prepped. Either you can plant this whole potato if that's small. If that has many eye, you can cut it into half and make sure you put potato this way. Eye should be on the top, and you can just make 4 to 6 inches, 4 inches deep like this, and then you will cover at least 4 inches soil on top of it, and then water. Now you can see we are putting potatoes 6 inches apart, maybe a little more, 6 to 8 inches apart.
Yeah, this is good.
So here you can see how potatoes are placed in a row, in rows. Now you can see eye up, and we put some potting mix, and like this you can see all the potatoes are placed. Now you will cover these potatoes with the same soil, like you can put soil 4 inches on top of it, and all the potatoes, eyed potatoes, are placed for 6 to 8 inches apart, 4 inches deep, and then 4 inches soil on top of it. Just cover it and put topsoil or potting mix and cover. First you put some, and then from both the sides you cover. Just cover. 4 inches soil on top of it, and then water. After 3 to 4 weeks, you will see potato leaves are coming out from the potato bulbs, or you can say potato seeds. Then around 60 to 70 days after planting, you will see potato flowers. But not all the potatoes flower. You will not see flower in all the potatoes. Let me also try out. Okay. Then for harvesting, around 90 to 100 days from planting, you can harvest your potato. Also, once you will see your leaves are turning yellow and flowers are dying, that's the time that you can harvest your potato. So enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.